Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Skidding logs with a lawnmower is actually not that hard. A lot of people would think that you'll break your tractor, you'll wreck it, or cause it some harm. But I have used this thing to skid logs as long as I've owned it, and I've not damaged it yet. Now the key to skidding logs with your lawnmower is to go very slow and get tension on the tongs and the chain, and then just take it nice and easy. You'll notice in the coming video I don't rev the engine hard, I don't have it in a high gear, and I don't hit it hard. As long as you're not jerking on that transmission and pulling and jerking and putting too much strain on that transmission, it shouldn't hurt it. And this is a pretty big machine. It's a pretty tough machine, 20 horse, so it's a relatively larger machine, but I think you could do it with some smaller ones. With, if you're careful, take it slow and easy, and especially, again, just don't jerk and hit that transmission hard. Take up that slack and use a medium to low gear. Take up that slack and then just run it nice and smooth right on off your truck or trailer. And you'll see in the video to come how smooth and easy it goes without really torquing on anything. So check it out, guys. Skidding logs with a lawnmower. I have made another trip, only today I've got logs. Load of poplar. Big, nice logs for the sawmill. This is lumber right here. This is going to be lumber. So, I'm going to let you watch me unload. It's going down my neck. The snow is going down my coat. I'm going to let you watch me unload this with the garden tractor and a chain and logging tongs. Well, there they are, guys. Nice and easy, smooth and simple. I had my wife come out and help me, just hook the tongs on them and slid them right out and finished them just as I did them. So I hope you do like this video. Subscribe if you haven't, because you never know what's coming to the homestead tomorrow. Talk to you all later.